Jeg hedder Louise. Hi everybody, I'm Louise. Welcome to DanishClass101.com's Dansk på 3 minutter, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Danish. In the last lesson, you learned how to talk about nationality. This is the second part of a lesson on the verb at være, which means to be. This verb is also used to talk about location, to say things like I'm in the street or he's in the room, so it's very useful. When you want to know where something or someone is, you use the verb at være in Danish. For example, when someone asks you on the phone, hvor er du? That means, where are you? Let's break it down. Hvor means where. Er is are. This is the verb to be, at være, conjugated for present tense. And du, as you know, is the word for you. Altogether it is, hvor er du? Hvor er du? Answering this question is very easy. You just say jeg er plus the place where you are. Jeg means I, and er is the verb at være again. Then you add the place. So for example, you can say jeg er på gaden, which is I am in the street. Jeg er på gaden. Now let's see a few other possible answers with I am at the office would be jeg er på kontoret. I am in a meeting would be jeg er i et møde. I am in a store would be jeg er i en butik. Another useful expression with the verb at være is when you answer the phone. To introduce your name, you can say det er plus your name. So when I pick up the phone, I say det er Louise. It's really simple. You just say det er, which means it is, plus your name. This verb at være changes based on time like other verbs. The infinitive form, when used with skal, implies a future time. For example, jeg skal være der. I'm going to be there. For recent past, at være changes to var, like in jeg var der. I was there. For perfect past, the verb changes to har været. Jeg har været der. I have been there. And present, as you might remember, is simply er. Jeg er her. I'm here. Now it's time for Louise's insights. The verb at være can also be used in the following convenient question if you are lost in the street. For example, jeg ved ikke, hvor jeg er. Kan du hjælpe mig? That means, I don't know where I am. Can you help me? Jeg ved ikke, hvor jeg er. Kan du hjælpe mig? In this lesson, you learn how to talk about your location thanks to the verb at være. Next time, we'll learn how to talk about age using the same verb. So do you want to know how to ask someone's age? I'll be waiting for you with the answer in the next Dansk på 3 minutter lesson. På gensyn!